What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Maggie once again, and I am back with another video. I've been in Ghana for some time now. It's almost a month, and I am still exploring the different types of food that they have. So today I followed Mama to make what they call light soup, and here you can see she's washing some meat, and earlier on she blended some pepper and onion, and this is a fish. She's washing it. So I was asking her why she's removing the skin, and she was like, I don't know actually what she said in Tree, but I think she doesn't like the skin of the fish. So she goes ahead to open up the fish and remove all the things that are inside, because I think when they're roasting it they don't remove that things. This is roasted fish already. I think they roast it on the fire, and she cuts it into different parts and then removes the bones. Let me know how you do it in your country. Let me know how you guys do it, or maybe here in Ghana as well. But this is how she does her own. She washes the fish thoroughly. So I was told that this is called light soup. They don't use any oil to make this soup. Mama, this is my best fish. I love this one.
Very good.
I love it. There's tilapia in it. So I was telling Mama that I love tilapia more than any other fish because it smells really good, and she was telling me it's called akosombo in Tree. I don't know whether I really say that word correctly, Tree, but I think that's the word. It's a language in Ghana. So if my pronunciation for the word was not correct, please correct me in the comment section. So at this point she was done washing all the meat. You can see there are two different types of fish and then some meat. And then she's putting some curry powder, and then she'll pour, this is onion that she earlier blended. She will pour some onion, ginger that she earlier blended. They blend most of their ingredients. This is onion and ginger and garlic. After steaming it for a while in the onion and garlic mixture, then she adds the tomato paste. As you can see, the color is becoming nice after steaming it for a while. You know, she continues to boil it. They don't add any oils. So now she's going to take out the fish because she wants the meat alone to get well cooked, because if she keeps the fish inside it will become, you know, so much soft. And she had to put it inside because she wants the onion, ginger, garlic mixture to enter for flavor, because they're not using any oil to make it. After she has removed the fish, then she will add the garden eggs. This garden eggs, she boiled it and then she blended it with pepper. If you know pepper, West Africans eat pepper, Ghanaians eat pepper. So she's removing the seeds from the garden eggs because she says she doesn't like the seeds, but she earlier blended this with pepper. So as you can see, the seeds will remain on top, and because they are still boiling the meat inside, so she needs to add more water so that the meat will boil very well and become soft. Then she went ahead to add kivo pepper, the powdered pepper. It's called kivo that they normally use here. So as you can see, she's mixing it with the soup. Yes, that's pepper, that is chili. It's called kivo. And as you can see, our light soup is ready. That's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my videos. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, so you get notified every time I upload. Bye.